All right, what does $200,000 or so buy here in the Hoover, Birmingham condo market? We're going to show you that today. Welcome to 1935 Waterford Place in Hoover, Alabama. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath condominium. And the unique thing about this particular community is that the condos actually come with a garage. And so there is a garage, a basement garage for storage or for parking, with some extra space in there as well, maybe even a workshop if you wanted to use it for that. So great condo built in the 80s. This unit in particular has a washer and dryer and all of the appliances, as well as really pretty pool area and just all the conveniences of living in a condominium community. So again, you have just seen 1935 Waterford Place. This condominium is located in the heart of River Chase, Hoover. We are just across the street from the Galleria Mall and all of the shopping and all of the restaurants. We're truly right here in the heart of everything. We're just minutes from 459, Highway 31, Highway 150. So a fantastic location. It just doesn't get any better than that here. We are Mike and Brandy Brown with Keller Williams Realty in Birmingham, Alabama. If you are ready to work with us either as a buyer for this property or any others, or to sell your property, we'd love to work with you. Feel free to DM us or text me 205-368-5995. You can always email us info@mbrownrealty.com.